Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I will guide you how to create and assign a group of COS. COS stands for Certificate of Sponsorship. I will also guide you how to link and unlink an individual COS to or from a group, how to find a group, add COS and then assign the group. And in the last, I will show you how to transfer a group of COS to another SMS user. So for example, if you are applying for a temporary work creative worker route, this category will help you. This manual will help you that you can assign a group. So for that, you will go in worker section and then click create and assign. Then from the create and assign COS screen, select the route drop down menu to select temporary work creative worker and then click next. Then from the create and assign COS, select create new group of certificates and then hit next. After that, it will ask you for the details where you have root, so temporary work, creative worker, group name, new group. Click to confirm if migrant is a lead member of the group. So when you confirm this, that means this is the one who will lead the group. Tick to confirm that the migrant is already established as a member of the group. Country from which application is being made. So you select that. Post from which application is being made. Then you have the personal information, family name, given name, nationality, place of birth. Let me explain you the lead membership. So for example, the key question to ask in deciding which option to choose is, will the event go ahead if the lead applicant does not enter the UK? You should identify the lead applicant on whom the other group or the COS group, if the answer to this question is no, otherwise it's yes. So that applicant is the important for the group. So if he's not coming in, then there will be a problem. So that's why if you think that he's the one who depends, like everyone depends on him, then select yes. Next step is from the create a group of COS screen. Enter the group proposed name, for example, the purpose and what is the the details are. So proposed name is the group name, basically the new group, like this is just an example. Then after that, it asks you type of group. Choose the lead applicant group if the group cannot perform without one or perform of its members. So for example, Taylor Swift, yeah, if she's coming to UK for concert and she is not coming, then what's the point of getting the drummers or the other people? So that's where the lead applicant comes in. Group purpose in the UK, why they are coming. Give details of what the group will be doing while in the UK, and you mention all the details. After that, you will click add COS. At the bottom, you will have all the details. For example, unlinked, edit, passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, nationality, lead migrant, status. Here I want to add one more thing. The Save Group button only needs to be selected when changes have been made to the group details. You do not need to save the group when adding a COS. Now from a create a COS screen, either you enter the details of the first member, so for example, and then you move further. So you have all the details over here. So the details are tick to confirm the migrant is the lead member of the group, tick to confirm that the migrant is already established a company of the group. Country from which application is being made, post from which the application is, family name, given name, nationality, and you have the further details, place of birth, country of birth, date and sex. Now from the create a group COS screen, the group table now displays the first member has been added to the group. To add more COS to the group, select add COS and repeat the above step. To assign and pay, before you can assign the group, you must ensure group details have been completed. So if you see on top, I have mentioned concerts performing in theaters. I have mentioned all the details. And then tick to confirm that the group is already established as a group and has performed overseas. So that's a tick over here. If you see at the bottom, unlinked, linked, edit, passport, name, details, lead member, migrant. So that's the one. Yes, status, ready to go. Now on the confirm group, before assigning the screen, you need to read all the details first. So for example, now we have, this is the CS allocation. So root, so obviously it's a creative worker root, temporary work, 100 was the limit, unused 100. And then we have the group name, Number of CUS in group is 1. Type of group, lead applicant group. But before we go forward, let me read this out for you. The information provided by me to you will be treated in confidence, but it may be disclosed to others law enforcement agencies. Many applicants think that, or companies think that this won't be discussed, but that's not the case. At the time of the CUS allocation, you mentioning this, the UK government department, agencies, local authorities, foreign government, and other bodies for immigration or research purpose can use all these details. I understand you may ask for check information. So you basically, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you assign a group. Next step is online payment. So if a fee is charged, the online payment screen is displayed like this. Select OK to proceed with the transaction. This will open a third party service, which is World Pay. Here it clearly says group name, which you will select. Just now we have selected newer group. Number of CUS in group is only 1 at the moment. Amount £21. This is just an example. Then from the group COS assigned screen, you can see that the group has been assigned and each COS has been given a unique COS number, which is like this: C5C4K47269A. Passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, and then you hit OK. Now let's discuss part 2, which was how to link a group. So what we will do, we will follow the same steps like we have done in the previous section. Link the COS into a batch, or link to group to link the COS into a group. These options will only available where appropriate. So you will put all the details in, like for example, root was temporary work, creative worker, passport number, family name, given name, nationality, Ireland, Iceland, and then date of birth, you have like sex, work start date, work end date. At the bottom, you have the option assign, link to group. So if you wanted to link to group, the one which we have created in the first option, you can click link to group and that will get linked. You have the option to exit and amend as well. Now let's discuss the part 3, how to find a group, add CUS, and then assign the group. So for that, from the create and assign CUS screen, use the select the root drop down menu to select temporary work, creative work, and then click next. Then from the create and assign CUS screen, select the radio button to find an existing group of certificate. You select this and hit next. Then on the next screen, you will have the option like this: find an existing group, group name, owner, group created from, group created to, work in progress, ready to go, assigned, and then you can click next. You also have the help. If you click, it will open another screen. Then to add a CUS to the group, on the create a group of CUS, select add CUS. So you have the option over here. You'll put the details. You will put all the details, which one you want, and add CUS. At the bottom, it will show like this: unlink, edit, group name, like the passport number of that group, family name, given name, date of birth, nationality, lead migrant, status, ready to go, add CUS. Once you have done everything from the group CUS assigned screen, you can see that the group has been assigned and each CUS has been given a unique number like this. So every CUS will have a different number, and that number you will give provided to the applicant to apply for the skilled worker visa.